Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to convert a string to an array. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that we have a string, right? There is a string. I want to convert into an array. There is only one method that is called the split. Okay, so here you can see that I am using the split method. Okay, and there is a space. When there is a space, it will convert into the array. And suppose I have the like check the cases, right? If this is like this one, so what it gonna be printed over here? You can see that hello world, right? If I go and just add over here plus operator, right? So what exactly it gonna be? Really it is splits? No. Why? Because there is a plus symbol over here. What we do, we have to add over here the split, the plus, right? So if I add plus over here and just reload this one, hello world. Any any operator you can add over here, like the hash or something. Make sure if you are adding here, make sure it should be added over here. So you can split like this. Okay, go and just check it out over here. See that? Okay, so how to convert a string from to an array? That is the help of the split. And the split function you need to pass on behalf of what you want to split, or you want to convert a string to an array. Any doubt, any issue, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.